In this clip, I will show you how to fold the squash fold and the sink fold. A squash fold is done with more than 2 layers, usually 4. So fold the paper in half first and fold the paper again so that you have 4 layers. For the squash fold, we are going to take the top 2 layers, open it up all the way up to the point where they meet, and this section will automatically open up, and this is the section we want to squash fold down, essentially flatten this section, making sure the center crease aligns with the central fold beneath. Flatten, crease. This is a squash fold. A sink fold is done with a point where folds come together into a point. So, as in this base here, this base where the point, all the folds come together into a point. So fold the point you want to sink down, unfold, open the paper, and if you open it entirely, you will see the area you want to sink, this square. Reform the base loosely, and with your fingers, ease the square down like so. Mountain fold the edges of the area you want to sink. Ease it down, and then reform it back into that base that you had, and the point is sunk in. This is a sink fold.